it's not that safe to be walking down around out here, but it's really blowing them trees. Well, no power, so this is how I'm cooking. I gotta boil water like this. Thanks to Cody Undine, Bear Grylls, Dave Canterbury, Naked and Afraid, Jeff Zahau, and not Jeff, is that how you say his name? Jeff Zahau? But yeah, you learn lessons from watching those shows. You think you don't, but when it comes to having no power in Florida after a hurricane, yeah, it actually helps out to learn some of this stuff. Now, keeping ashes out of your water that you want to drink, because I'm not sure exactly the safety of this water we have right now, because I can't get no news. So, and like I uploaded a video earlier, I think, and it took 6 hours to upload that one tiny little video. So, I've gotten this, this is my makeshift grill that I came up with. It's based on a Cherokee fire hole, this and a volcano stove. This side you're feeding in your fuel, your wooden fuel. Of course, you have another fuel, and that's called oxygen, and that's fueling the oxygen side. And it's going straight up, and it's a hybrid Cherokee volcano stove is what I'm going to call it. I've had some more bricks that could put it together a lot easier, I think. But this is my first time trying this and cooking outdoors. I need some lids. I need to find some lids, because that's the one thing about getting the ashes in it. Been in Vienna sausages. Probably make some s'mores later. When you got no power, this is the only option you got. You know, you boil hot water, eat ramen noodles, or fry something in the frying pan right there real quick and easy. It's actually way more simpler. I mean, I kind of like it. But you should see the stars. I don't think you can see the stars. Yeah, this camera fades out when the camera flash is on. Yeah, this is how we're having dinner tonight. I'm cooking in an open fire. Because actually yesterday the sun came out finally today for a little bit after the storm and dried some stuff out, so I was able to find some dry tinder. Next time I'm gonna have a couple bags of charcoal in my kit for emergency purposes. That's one thing I didn't have, and I thought about it, but I said, oh no, I'll be all right. It'd be a whole lot easier if I did, because then I could put this cinder block straight up and if this was straight up like that one over there, that's another cinder block, and you put in that hole, this hole, you put some newspaper with some vegetable on it, load up your hardwood charcoal, not them briquette stuff, that's crap, and light the paper, and it burns up and makes an inferno of coals really fast. But America's greatest country on earth. We're fighting it down here in Florida, waiting for the National Guard. And I'm going to make some coffee and maybe some grits, oatmeal, something. I don't know yet. Grilled cheeses. We can do what we do. America's greatest country on earth. Redneck Superman out. There's leaves everywhere. There's limbs everywhere. It's hard to see. See trailer skirting. Laying everywhere. Okay. Check the backs on the trailer when I got a chance. The rain's all going sideways. A few times I've heard it. They're all just scary noise when it starts howling in the wind. See some trees in the distance over there really blowing hard. Ugh. Well, like anything's been too much over here. Can you out, you can see those trees blowing in the wind. Got one small tree back here. It's just straight coming in at every angle. Whew. There's that tree to come down. But y'all can't see much of that, it's too dark. You hear that?